Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the material and the exact amount of profile to remove, because different substrates cut very differently. Once done, mark a clear removal line with a straight edge and pencil at 1/16 to 1/8 inch depending on desired squareness. Then assemble a block plane, a sharp chisel for tight spots, a sanding block, and safety glasses. Make sure to clamp the work securely. This early precision prevents overcutting and makes the next step. Begin by taking light, controlled passes with the block plane, angling slightly to remove the rounded edge and bring the surface toward the pencil line. You want consistent shavings, not big gouges. Once the large curvature is gone, switch to a sharp chisel to trim tight spots and transition areas, always cutting toward the marked line. Check often with a straight edge and run your palm to feel high spots and make small corrections so you keep the edge flat and even. Finish by sanding with 220 then 320 grit in the grain direction to blend the new square edge into the face. Use a sanding block to keep the angle consistent. Once sanded, apply a light coat of finish or water to raise any fibers so you can spot remaining imperfections and correct them. If you get tear out, don't panic. Sand the local area smooth, and then make a couple of gentle skewed plane passes with a very sharp blade to clean the tear out without removing too much material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.